Good morning, everyone, or afternoon or evening, wherever you're at. Today's Tuesday. Yesterday was kind of like we actually took off yesterday. We didn't open the store or anything. Was out late with Joseph and Jinky the night before, so kind of was a day kind of just to chill and relax. Didn't do too much. I know I wanted to do some things, but never got around to doing it. I'll get it done during the week. Let's see, today we went up to Charlie's to have breakfast. I tried their bacon and eggs and home fries, and it was excellent. Charlie's is where they have excellent sausage gravy. Charlie's is up on Clark, so if you visit Angeles City or you live in Angeles City, check out Charlie's. Excellent food. Went to the bank, did some banking. Exchange rate's excellent. I got exchange rate today of 51.85, and that's good. Last week I seen it was at 52 even. Never seen it at 52. I mean, since 2012 when I've been coming here, never seen it at 52 ever. 51.85 is excellent. Actually drove down and I seen across from the Jeepney terminal at Friendship there, where a lot of the exchange stores are, where a lot of people do exchange for their money that come here and visit. Theirs was only 51.70, so 51.85 where I go, and that was an excellent rate. Anyways, let's over at the store right now. I'll be heading over later after I pick up Hannah Gray, so I don't know. We'll see what happens today. We're sitting here in the shop right now. I looked outside. Hey, let me go out here. The street is just filled with smoke. I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not. The street is full of smoke. I'm gonna find out where this smoke is coming from. Oh, right there. I'm gonna take a little stroll down here. Got the mosquito repellent going. There it is. There's the smoky. Got a fire. Got some smoke. Some local mosquito repellent, huh? It's very common here. Very common here in the Philippines. People just start a fire and smoke out the neighborhood. Don't bother me because, like I said, mosquitoes take off. But yeah, you can see it's looks like it's gonna rain today. Been overcast all day, but no rain. Not even little spritz. We're due for some rain because it hasn't rained here in a while. We're up in Clark today, and everything was just dry. Everything looked brown and dried up. Now here, things are green. But up in Clark, it was really dry. So, I guess we'll be sucking up some smoke here for the next, I don't know, a few minutes. I don't know. Unless it starts raining. Actually got a nice little breeze today. Not that hot out. What do you think, Lit? What do you guys say? Anything? What do you guys say? Anything?
Hello.
That's all. Hello for now.
Today is slow day.
Slow day? What were you saying? Everybody was asking why you weren't open yesterday?
Yeah. They said, why you're not open yesterday? We're looking at you. We're supposed to buy things. I said, it's okay. It's okay. I'm always open every day, but sometimes I need to have off once in a while.
Take a break. That feels good, pal.
Yeah, 500 per hour.
500 per hour.
Yeah.
I was sitting out here on my chair, people watching like I usually do in the evening, and decided to come out and give me a back massage.
500 per hour.
500 per hour.
Yeah.
good price.
Well, I'm expensive.
I think we had a mosquito in the bedroom last night because I got mosquito bites all over my back.
Well, they always have lots of mosquitoes.
Yeah, mosquitoes are bad this time of the year.
The water outside, remember that well that they have?
Yeah.
There's a lot of water. They're supposed to make it clear.
I don't know, but it seems like the mosquitoes are bad this time. Past couple of weeks they've been pretty bad. Right there. Oh.
The kind of mask. There.
One of the things we were supposed to yesterday was they'll get a massage right there, that muscle. But we never got around to doing it, so yeah, we'll do it on our next day off.
Yeah.
Right, Lut?
Yeah.
Right there, a muscle, up a little bit. Yeah, yeah. You ever have a sore muscle and then somebody rubs it? They rub it real hard. It's painful, but it feels good. What's for dinner tonight, Lut?
No clue.
No clue.
Do you have an idea?
No clue.
Well, if it's you, you need to think, because me, I don't care. I can only eat dry fish, I don't mind about it.
See, a lot of these vendors, they have food, but the food isn't warm. And I'm not a big fan on eating like cold food. Where Filipinos have no problem. They'll eat that cold food. I mean, it's good. It just sits in a pan. It's got the lid on it. It's covered and everything. But I just can't eat cold food for some reason. Look, Ken.
I
You do. She don't care. Thought it was going to rain, but it didn't rain today.
Yeah, it's summer. Summer's coming, he said.
Yeah.
I think it, I feel like it's summer. It's always. Hi, sir. How you feel, sir?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah, yeah.
Would you like to give me tips?
Yeah. Here's a tip for you, Lud. You ready?
Yeah.
Rub lower.
I do make otot.
No, rub lower. I didn't ask you if you would, but.
Whoa, you always did that. Otot. This is like a hard mask.
Right there, stretch that mosquito bite. Yeah, right there, downward. Right there. Feel the mosquito bite?
Kaya nga eh.
Feel that lump from that mosquito bite? Yeah, right there. Oh, there's Shushui. Hey, buddy. Shushui. Shushui. The ghost chaser. All right, guys, the sun is setting, and I am taking a little walk, heading up to McDonald's, grab some dinner for tonight. I'm gonna break out the camera. I don't know what time it is. Oh, there's Shishui. There he is. It's a Sui. Cool dog. Yeah, I'm heading up to McDonald's. You know, I had somebody leave a comment or say something like, oh, you think you're such an expert of the Philippines. Only been here 3.5 years or 3 years. You know what? I don't ever claim to be an expert on the Philippines. I don't even claim to be an expert on Angeles City. But I do claim to be an expert on my life. You know, I only share with you guys my experience living here in Angeles City, and my experience while I'm here, and the things I might do. I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert on Cebu. Never been to Cebu. I'm not an expert on Manila. Only been there a few times. I'm not an expert on Davao City. I'm not an expert. Like I said, the only thing I'm an expert on is my life. You know who's an expert here in the Philippines? Filipinos. They're the experts here. This is their country. This is their life. They know more about, you know, the Philippines than anybody coming here would know, or visiting here, or living here. You know, sort of like an American. You're an expert on America. Or German. You're a German, you're an expert on Germany. But I am no way an expert of the Philippines. I think the first time I came here in 2012, I stayed 2 weeks. 2013, when I came, I stayed 3 weeks. 2013, into 2014, I was here 6 weeks. I don't know what he's got going on here. Mosquitoes maybe? But, and then of course in 2016 of August, when I decided to move here permanently. So, but there are quite a few foreigners that are expats and live here, and they're experts. They're expat experts. Well, I'm not an expert expat, so. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up. I'm gonna head into McDonald's and grab me some dinner. Grab some dinner and take it back to Lut and Hannah Grace. But I am an expert on McDonald's, I can tell you that much right now. As much as I go to McDonald's, I can tell you what's on their menu here. And I can tell you which McDonald's are good and fast and which ones are slow and cold. But I'm gonna wrap this one up. I got a guy, been texting him about a P.O. box here. Tomorrow he's gonna send me some information and everything, because I want to get a P.O. box set up. There's like a couple people had said, you know, hey, we'd like to send you something, and I think that's the best way to go. So tomorrow he's gonna send me his information, and we'll see where that goes. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this one up, and tomorrow the journey continues.